Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you for your love and support, and to my new subscribers I want to say a very huge thank you for stopping by to watch. To my oldies, I want to say thank you for always tuning on to watch. Today I want to share this awesome video on how you can prep your items, your foodstuffs before cooking. Maybe you're one of these busy moms like myself. You go to work and you come back, you want to quickly put one or two things together for your family. This is an idea on how you can prep your items, get them ready, and it will be very easy for you. This video is very inspiring and I know you will love it. I'm going to be prepping my food for the week. So my husband went ahead to cut this chicken. So I'm going to parboil it like I usually do, with lemon and lime. I've added salt to it. I'll add water now, add lemon and lime, and let it parboil for like 10 minutes. This is just blanching it out. Make sure you get rid of all of those preservatives. Start by rinsing it out, season it well, and then start cooking proper. Okay?
Soup.
Yeah, a soup and whatever, stew and whatsoever. Yeah, just put water enough to cover it like so, and let it parboil. That way you are sure what you're eating. For me, this method is an easy method and it's to go for me. Try this and I'm sure you will love it. So guys, here is my beef tongue. I bought this a long time ago because I want to use it for my husband. Then I bought it like almost $12. See, 11.40 something. Very far away from Atlanta, so I want to use some of it because I want my husband to enjoy this meal. I'm just going to use few. I'll use the remaining one for bitter leaf soup. Yeah. Here I have some beef muscle. We call it aquarano. I'm going to be adding some. I'll add some to the tongue. So I have some few beef tripe. I have some beef tripe here. I just want to add it to it. This is cow meat. I already blanched this and threw it in my freezer. I brought everything out to the front, so I'm going to add some of this for children's sake. I and hubby try to stay away from beef actually, but sometimes my longer throat no dey gree me. Please drop your comments if you're like me. Sometimes you want to eat the things they say don't eat. I do that sometimes. Please help me by liking this video, share to your friends and loved ones, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to try this method out or if you're already doing the same thing. I'm going to add all of them here to blanch. That is how I go about my cooking. You can choose to go about it this way, and trust me, you will love it. You take off all of those preservatives. That will, you'll be sure of what you're eating. So this is it. So I'll just blanch all of this. I'm going to add some salt and I'll allow it to cook for 10 minutes. I'll rinse out the water and then we'll start seasoning proper. Adding some lemon and lime from here. I'm going to rinse this out in a minute. So guys, for this pepper soup I'm going to be using gizzard. This is gizzard and goat meat pepper soup. This is one of my husband's favorite and he requested to be attended to this way. So I'm going to make my husband some gizzard and pepper soup recipe. So this is my gizzard. I'm going to go ahead and chop them into the sizes that I like it to be on. Let's go. So take your gizzard. This is turkey gizzard, by the way. Cut it into 4 sizes because this is really huge. You can even cut it into 6 sizes depending on what you want to do. So this is how I'm going to cut everything until everything is nicely, chopped. This is how you want to chop them. Just chop them this way actually, and you love that you did. Yeah, you can still chop it a little bit more if you want, but this is the sizes I like to go for. Goat meat, guys. Honestly, goat meat is on the very high side now. On the very high side. For this bag, I bought it for almost $100 for real. Look at it. This small bag, I bought it for $89. And by the time I pay for tax, it's about 90 something. So look at the quantity, just a little bag. Before the prices of things skyrocketed, it used to be bigger than this for that amount. So what I do is I just try to manage it as much as I can. If I want to cook, I just mix it up. That way I can have some more. So I'm going to take out some of this goat meat because we are using goat meat also. Bone, a lot of these are bone like this. I keep wondering. I'll cut some of these. They keep selling these things very costly. Anyway, I can't blame them though. Prices of everything is just on the high side because of the way things are going. You know, I used to kill a whole goat, but now it's difficult to even get a whole goat. So I just buy back sometimes and I kill a whole goat sometimes. So guys, this is my chicken. It's nicely parboiled. I'm going to season it and marinate. I'll season it and just marinate it very well and grill it. I want to grill it, okay? This one has been properly marinated, so just added some onion, added some Maggi seasoning. I'm going to add some pepper and then we'll get. Guys, Emanuela is seasoning the chicken so that we can start grilling.
Just take something.
Take your pepper now. It's not easy to cook. We have to prep and get all these things ready. If you have young teenagers at home, please always teach them how to do these things. It is very important. Emanuela does these things very well and I'm proud of her. I didn't intend to go about it this way, but it's just what it is. Once I call Emanuela up, she knows what to do, especially when it comes to all of these things. This one is for chicken for the house, just for chicken. This is just chicken for maybe salad or any other thing. Just busy prepping for the week. This one is cooking nicely. And here is hot water to blanch our vegetables. So here I'm blanching the last vegetable we'll be using. Just blanch with hot water and salt. Leave it for 7 minutes, stir it up together, and then you bring it out and set it aside. Our rice is ready for the vegetable sauce. Our protein is all ready. So these are some of the vegetables I'll be using. I already have this in the freezer, but I want to go ahead and use it. And this is my spinach. It's been blanched. So just set it aside. I've gone ahead to get my cow skin ready. We're using it for this vegetable sauce. Our chicken is nicely grilled. I'm going to be using this for our soup. This part of chicken is ready, so I'm grilling my shrimp so we can use for the soup. So this is how I go ahead and prep all of my stuffs. So fam, just go ahead and get yourself ready like so. If you get yourself ready like that, you'll be very happy that you did, because it will make life very easy for you. Sometimes it's so difficult. I will prep, I will cook at the same time. You know, it's always very, very difficult. And when you're blanching your vegetables, make sure you have hot water already. Make sure you boil your water. And yeah, before you add your vegetable, make sure your hot water is ready. So look at it. Our vegetables still look fresh. Can you see? So this is what you call blanching, okay? I'm going to get it out now because it's ready. and run cold water through it. I am done, guys. I am done. Thank you so much for staying. Coach's be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful hearts. See you when we start cooking. This is just a prepping video, okay? How you can get your things ready before you start cooking proper. I hope you try this out. It's always working out for me, so I encourage you to try it out because I know you will love it. Coach's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video.